So before we discuss and show you how things fit in here and how the wheels turn and all that, let me talk about the computer area. So they both have a computer area that you unzip. Now this one unzips fully. So that's why it's got these little protective corners here, because when it opens, it is going to go down onto the floor. So it needs something to protect the corners. You've got a little bit of padding here for a computer, a tablet. You've got an accessory area here for your plug, your mouse, and it fully extends, okay? The other one does not fully extend. The other one, you can unlock it, so it's got a built-in lock, and it does not fully extend right away, but there are zippers here so that you can fully extend it if you'd like. So you've got your computer area lightly padded, you've got your tablet area padded, lightly padded, and then there's no padding up here, it's protected by the case, and then for accessories here. I do think this case on the level 8 might be a little stronger, and it also has more of a ridge here. So you've got a little more protection than this one. The other thing that this one has is this little USB-A, USB-C port on the outside, and then you would just have your power supply in here, which is kind of neat. Okay, so now let's look at the capacity of each of these. Okay, so this is my level 8 Grace suitcase. You've got a compartment here. And my power cable here. And then the other side, garments and toiletry bag. Okay, so this is fully extended. Zip that up. Zips up pretty easily. And let's see about getting the computer in here. And the mouse pad I'll just put there and see what happens. So this one holds everything. So let's see what happens with the Luggex. Okay, so this is the Luggex. I've got in the clothing and the hairbrushes in here. I've got in the shoes, jacket, toiletries, undergarments in here. And I don't have my computer in yet, but I already know that it's going to be hard to get the mouse in. Let me stick the mouse here, and if I can put the power supply in somewhere, let's just say it'll go in here. I think it will. And this is now fully extended, so it's, you know, got the full capacity going. And then if we unzip the computer compartment, you know, we're going to see, can I get my computer in? My computer is a little bit large, so I can get it in, but barely. It's kind of almost at the top, and it's really too big. My computer's too big to close. This is the level 8 Grace. Spins easily. I've used this in the airport many times, and it works amazing. So let's look at the Luggex. Also very, very easy handle. Spins. This would be wonderful to use as well. So my conclusion on these is the level 8 Grace is 10 pounds versus 7.9 pounds. The level 8 Grace seem to have just a little more capacity, just a tiny bit more. So you have to make a decision on whether you need the computer, you need the capacity, you don't want the weight. All those kinds of things will factor into your decision.